Welcome to our tutorial on nested conditionals. In programming, conditionals allow you to run certain code based on whether a condition is true or false. Nested conditionals occur when you place one conditional statement inside another. This can help manage more complex decision-making processes in your code. Let's look at an example using the Python programming language. Imagine you're writing a program that determines if a person is eligible for a discount based on their age and membership status. You might use nested conditionals to check if a person is a member, and then check if they qualify by age. Nested conditionals can also be tricky to read and maintain. Consider using logical operators like AND, OR, and NOT if they simplify your code. In the previous example, we could avoid nesting by combining conditions with the AND operator.